Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about facet grid. As you can see here, we have worked on facet wrap in previous lesson, and with facet wrap we can work just on one variable, but with facet grid we can work in more than one variables. So now I just want to write my functions, and here I just type here ggplot, and here I will use the penguin data plus, and here I want to use the point chop again, point mapping static x equal to flipper length millimeter, comma y equal to body mass per gram. So I want to add color here, just type here color equal to species, and here after this, so I just put plus here, plus enter, and here I want to use the facet grid, and here I add two variables. For example, I just type here sex and species. And run this. You can see here we have the sex, and here we have the type of the species. So here you can see we can use more than just one variables. So here also we can use, instead of sex, we can use the island, and run this. That's it. We have the islands here, and we have the type of species, and of course we can change the type of the chart. So from point chart we can change it to smooth, you can see here, and also we can change it to the line. So yes, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.